They say the future is now, but sometimes it feels like it's still out of reach. Faster than light travel, teleportation, artificial intelligence surpassing our own. These are staples of science fiction, yes, but also areas of serious scientific research. What if the future is already here, just not evenly distributed across the stars? If civilizations throughout the universe are millions of years ahead of us, then we are merely scratching the surface of what's possible. From manipulating gravity to bending space-time itself, the laws of physics, as we understand them, might be mere child's play to a sufficiently advanced race. Think of the potential for power. A civilization capable of reshaping the fabric of reality could harness the energy of stars, entire star systems and galaxies to fuel their incredible machines. Just how much energy does it take to run a star? The answer is staggering. Our sun, a relatively average star, radiates roughly 3.8 times 10 to the 26 watts of power. The total output of a galaxy like the Milky Way, mind-bogglingly immense, culminates to around 10 to the 41 watts. Now imagine a civilization advanced enough to capture even a tiny fraction of that energy. A Dyson sphere, a colossal megastructure enveloping an entire star to harness its power completely. Some theories even propose entire galaxies operating like intricate machines powered by the collective energy of their stars. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, maybe it's not as far-fetched as you might think. In 1964, the physicist Nikolai Kardashev introduced a classification system to categorize civilizations based on their energy usage. We, the human race, haven't even hit Type 1 yet. A Type 1 civilization would have the ability to utilize all the power available on a planet. Type 2, the ability to harness the power of an entire star. And Type 3, a galactic civilization capable of utilizing the energy of an entire galaxy. According to some estimates, reaching Type 2 status would require a civilization to be around 1 million years advanced over us. If that's the case, then the Milky Way could be teeming with Type 2 and Type 3 civilizations, many of which might be thousands or millions of years ahead of us. But here's where things get really interesting. What if such structures are already visible in our galaxy, whispering their existence through strange infrared signatures? That's right. Scientists believe we might already be glimpsing the traces of advanced alien megastructures. It's just that we're looking with the wrong tools. Some scientists argue that communication between distant stars wouldn't necessarily rely on radio waves, but might instead utilize quantum entanglement or signals encoded in gravitational waves. These methods would be undetectable with our current technology, which is limited to radio astronomy. And then there's the Fermi paradox, a contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact. Some argue that there must be some great filter, some barrier that prevents species from becoming like us or further. But what if the filter isn't destruction? What if it's evolution? What if the only way forward is to merge with our own machines? And what if some have already done so? We're not so far from this ourselves. Today, we're already diving into neural interfaces, brain-computer links, and AI systems that can mimic human thought. Elon Musk's Neuralink program aims to create a direct bridge between our minds and machines. In the future, we may be able to download memories, access the internet with a thought, or even live on as digital entities after death. Some even believe that the first post-biological humans are already among us, living as digital consciousness drifting between stars. Then there are the ancient ones. What if long ago, very long ago, we were visited by a civilization so advanced that it seems almost godlike to us? Could those mysterious artifacts and architectural anomalies scattered across the globe be evidence of ancient alien contact? Were those who built them simply sharing the seeds of advanced tech before disappearing again into the stars? And what about those unexplained objects in our skies? Governments and the Pentagon now take unidentified aerial phenomena seriously. But what we see may not be experimental aircraft. They could be demonstrations of technology so advanced that it seems almost magical. zero sonic booms, sudden acceleration, anti-gravity movement. These are not hallmarks of human-made machines. They defy known physics. Could they be scout drones from another star system or time-traveling observers from our own future? As we reach further into the cosmos and deeper into the complexities of our eye and neural interfaces, we must ask, are we creating something new, or are we unknowingly replicating technology that was seeded in us long ago? The future of technology is not just about faster phones or smarter AI. It's about expanding the very boundaries of what it means to be human. A future where we merge with our machines, where we read and write the stars, where the impossible becomes the everyday. But the question remains, will we find allies in this brave new world, or will we face challenges beyond our wildest imaginings? After all, the universe doesn't care about our ambitions. It only responds to one thing: raw power. And compared to some civilizations out there, we're just getting started.